There. That was a preemptive goodbye. But that's our side. That's where we go in. So there's the back. And that is the pool over there, but it's not used. So down there is where we come in. Come up to the second floor. And come in here. And this is officially our apartment. Sit down, please. You wait. Daddy's going to see him in a minute. Upstairs. First we have our dining room. A Murphy bed. And the kitchen, which is tiny. So there's that. We have a closet. Whee! The bathroom with shelving. Nice toilet. There's our shower. And out here, there we go. Shower, yay. Bathroom. I like that it's got an extra mirror over there. There's that. A linen closet, I guess we'd end up using that for. There's the entrance again. This is where originally it was 2 apartments. They opened this wall and made it 1. Hey! Now, to our left, can we get the door open, is closet. In what is going to be mine and Paul's room. Huge, but it's very awkward spaces. So, that. Out here, we have a tree outside our window, where apparently last year in that hole there was, shoot, I can't remember what he called it now. There was a bird that was rather odd that would live there. But, and there's our car. Whee! The closet in here. And oh yeah. Hello. So the awkward part is not only the slanted windows there, but this weird, odd little space we have going on here. So we'll have to figure out what to do with that. But we'll work on that. So there are officially 2 doors going into our bedroom. There's those, and then there's the closet. So, heading towards the living room. But first, we have Zoe's room, which she's already claimed. And then in here, yeah. Ooh, look at those doorknobs. And we're going to have to get one of those door thingies. Out here is Zoe's view. Neighbor's house. With this awesome little gazebo. I don't know if we'll actually be able to use that, but I like this neighborhood a lot. Oh yeah. And, woo! Fantastic. So, again, her closet, which you can't see much of, is huge. We're going to have to put a light in there for her, but no biggie. Okay. Onward to the living room. So, it's actually very nice, normal living room. We have, again, this beautiful view out there. I think we're going to have to change the curtains, though, because I don't like those curtains at all. But this is my favorite part. View out our bedroom window, or our living room window. And look, there's our neighbors. So this is what we get to wake up to. And one last room. Hey, Paul.
Hello.
Say hi. What's up? Hi, Zoe. Now, this is the non-bedroom. This is also the turret room. And mainly, he said he can't call it a bedroom because that's the only closet it has. So, I think that's kind of funny. And up there is the tower lookout. Which don't tell me we can get out there. So, bedroom, or the office is going to be in here. Poor Zoe, first thing she did was open this and let it go on her head. There's lots of nice little storage space, huh? So, and it's not light either. I will closet space in here, which we have leftovers from the last time. It's a lot of. You should see the kitchen. Not this window. This and the other small one are the only two that are screened. Here's the view. It's so pretty. So, it's a very nice place. It's old. It needs a little work, but I think it's going to be a wonderful place to call home. Bye! Always. No, we are going to go downstairs and go to the car. And here's the first floor. And I'll show you the basement later, which is on there. And by the way, that's our yard. The boulder. Here we are, 801 South Cedar. Goodbye.